So story is there where is a problem and there is a process of the resolution of the problem. So in this process, if you try to understand what is the central conflict in your story and how your protagonist struggle to resolve that conflict. So there is a structural value of the story. So if you see the structure of any story, you can find it into the traditional way of a 3-act structure. If you divide your story into 3 sections, so act 1, act 2 and act 3. So in short, which is defined as a setup, conflict and a resolution. So if your story you can divide into the 3 sections, so you can observe these 3 sections, that how the first part is a setup and how the second part is a conflict and how the third part is a resolution. Now we'll try to understand what is the setup, what is conflict and what is the resolution. See, naturally what happens, if you know that who is a central conflict, who is a central character and what happens to that central character, and finally how that protagonist or central characters achieve the result of from that central conflict. So if you divide this into 3 sections, the first section is called Act 1, which is a setup, and setup is around 20 to 25% of the story, in which the setup of the story will be there, like who is the person about who are going to understand the story, what is his or her surrounding, what is the culture, what is the geography, and once you have introduced to the surrounding of your principal character and what are the norms of that particular story and that particular character. So at the end of section 1, there is a particular point comes that is called plot point 1. So once you have established the act 1, and in the act 1 if you have set up who is your protagonist, what is the situation, what is the culture, what is the certain details, and at one particular point something goes wrong with the protagonist and there is a twist in his life or in the situation, and that particular twist or that particular critical situation which tells the story, that becomes a plot point 1, and it arises at the 20 to 25% of your story. So as already I have told you that first the situation is balanced, then it becomes imbalanced, and finally it becomes a balance. So the point where situation becomes imbalance is called plot point 1. So you must know that what can be the particular event or a situation or a scene at that particular plot point where your story get a new direction. So in the beginning 20 to 25% you have to introduce your characters, introduce your situation, introduce the culture, introduce the certain details which will help audience in future to relate all the complicated situations logically. So first part is also the establishment of the rules of the game. And once we have entered into the plot point in the Act 2, so Act 2 is the largest part of the story, in which you will see the struggle of your protagonist, and it's almost a 50% of your story. It's a struggle and a conflict and the entire heroism of your protagonist. So either protagonist or that community or the situation, how they struggles with the situation, how they struggles to remove the obstacles from their story, from their situation, from their journey. So you try to understand that once you have established the central conflict. So central conflict can be somebody kidnaps a woman who is a politician. So if you know that the central conflict is about the kidnapping of the woman, so don't make the mistakes between the obstacles and the conflict. So if to resolve the central conflict, there are n numbers of obstacles, like there is no passport to enter into the next country, or there is no money to travel, or there is some physical problem, some health problems, or some financial problem, or some. So these are the obstacles in resolving the central conflict. So if you know that your plot is having very interesting idea about the kidnapping of a woman, then surrounding should be very, very interesting, where you will have to add the content about how your protagonist becomes a hero or a heroine, or how they are doing a heroic act. So as per your creative skill, your intellectual skill, or with the references of the research, you will have to add the certain value in the struggle of your protagonist.